Hello everyone! Welcome to Story Levels English. I'm excited to have you here today. In this A2 level lesson, we're going to explore some useful everyday expressions that will help improve your English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to learn new expressions that native speakers use every day. Understand real daily conversations between English speakers. Improve your listening skills through natural dialogue. Practice common phrases you can use right away. Build your confidence in speaking English. Whether you're studying English for work, travel, or just for fun, this lesson will give you practical tools you can start using today. Let's begin.
Hi, Sarah. How are your English classes going?
They're great. I learned a new expression today.
Your English is getting better every week.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Really? What did you learn?
I learned piece of cake. It means something is very easy.
That's interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Reading children's books in English is a piece of cake for me now.
That's cool.
What did you learn?
Well, I've been studying a lot lately.
You look tired. Have you been sleeping well?
I learned hit the books. It means to study hard.
Oh, nice. Are you hitting the books these days?
Yes, every single day. I want to improve my English.
That's great. How many hours do you study?
About 2 hours after work. But English homework is not a piece of cake.
Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
You're right. Maybe we could study together sometimes.
That's a wonderful idea.
When are you free to practice?
I'm free on weekends. We could meet at the library.
Perfect. The library is quiet and has good study spaces.
And they have lots of English books we can use.
Should we start this Saturday?
Yes, what time works best for you?
How about 2 p.m.?
That's perfect. I'll bring my study materials.
Great. I'm excited to practice together.
Me too. 2 heads are better than 1.
Is that another expression you learned?
Yes, I'm full of surprises.
Explanation section. Expression. Piece of cake. Meaning something that is very easy to do or accomplish. Origin. This phrase became popular in the 1930s, comparing easy tasks to eating something enjoyable. Pronunciation tips. Stress on piece. Natural linking. Piece of cake. Practice the rhythm. Piece of cake. Common situations for use. When talking about tests or exams, describing simple tasks at work, talking about hobbies or sports you're good at, in casual conversations with friends, during study group discussions, when encouraging someone who's nervous, detailed examples in cue text. Don't worry about the math homework, it's a piece of cake. Learning to ride a bike was a piece of cake for her. The job interview? It was a piece of cake. I got the position. Making breakfast is a piece of cake once you learn the basics. After practicing for months, speaking English is becoming a piece of cake. The entrance exam was a piece of cake compared to what I expected. Similar expressions with examples. It's a breeze. This new software is a breeze to use. It's child's play. Once you understand the rules, chess is child's play. It's no sweat. Running 5K, no sweat. I do it every morning. It's a walk in the park. The presentation was a walk in the park. Expression, hit the books. Meaning, to study intensively or begin studying. Origin refers to the physical action of opening and using books to study. Pronunciation focus, emphasis on hit, clear pronunciation of final S in books. Natural rhythm, hit the books, detailed usage scenarios. During exams preparation, when talking about homework, discussing study sessions, planning academic schedules, setting study goals, explaining why you're busy, extended examples in different situations. Finals are next week. I need to hit the books. Sorry, I can't go out tonight. I have to hit the books. If you want to pass the test, you better hit the books. I've been hitting the books all semester to maintain my GPA. My parents told me to hit the books instead of playing video games. After work, I always hit the books for at least 2 hours. Related expressions with detailed examples. Crack the books. Time to crack the books. The exam is tomorrow. Nose to the grindstone. Keep your nose to the grindstone, and you'll succeed. Burn the midnight oil. I've been burning the midnight oil to finish this project. Buckle down. It's time to buckle down and study hard. Advanced practice. Using both expressions. Combined examples in different contexts. Math used to be hard, but after hitting the books for months, now it's a piece of cake. The vocabulary test was a piece of cake because I hit the books all weekend. If you hit the books regularly, English will become a piece of cake. Some students think they can pass without studying, but you really need to hit the books to make it a piece of cake. Cultural context and usage tips. Regional variations. American English versus British. English usage. Cultural implications in different English-speaking countries. Workplace versus academic settings. Common mistakes to avoid. Usage errors. Don't use piece of cake in formal situations or business writing. Hit the books shouldn't be used literally. It's always about studying. Avoid using these expressions in academic papers or formal presentations. Don't mix these idioms with formal language. Remember, these are casual expressions. Cultural considerations. Be aware of the context and audience. Consider the formality level of the situation. Understand the cultural implications. Practice exercises. Exercise 1. Context understanding. After a long study session, Sarah tells Robert, "The English test tomorrow will be a piece of cake because I hit the books all week." What does this sentence mean? A. Sarah thinks the test will be difficult because she studied. B. Sarah is confident about the test because she studied hard. C. Sarah wants to eat cake after studying. D. Sarah hit her books with force. E. Sarah doesn't want to take the test. F. Sarah hasn't studied enough. Exercise 2. Situation analysis. In which situation would it be inappropriate to use the expression piece of cake? A. Telling your friend about an easy video game. B. Writing a formal email to your professor. C. Describing how simple it was to make breakfast. D. Talking to classmates about yesterday's homework. E. Discussing sports with friends. F. Chatting about your weekend plans. Exercise 3. Expression combination. Complete the dialogue with the most appropriate expressions. Tom, how was your presentation? Jane, it was, because last night. A piece of cake. Hit the books. B, hit the books. A piece of cake. C, easy. Studied. D, difficult. Slept. E, simple. Worked. F, hard. Practiced. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning these useful expressions and are ready to practice them in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our English learning community. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new lessons. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in our next lesson with more exciting expressions and conversations. Take care and keep practicing.